for Casa Preco, they rely heavily on the preforms, so the plastic bottles that these juices go in. And then for PAWC Export Services, they rely heavily on cans. And for the Comfy and Casa Preco as well, they also rely heavily on technology. So a lot of their processes are driven by technology and different machines that do a lot of these different processes as far as the mixing and the packaging goes. And then for PAWC, they were a little bit different because they rely a little bit more on the manual labor. So they add everything manually. So in attending and going through these different companies, we're able to also identify 3 strategies that all of these companies use. So they first start by identifying a demand. So they find a gap in the market and they're able to then create a product that is going to fill in that gap. The next strategy that they use is by testing the product. They do this internally, so they test the product for taste, for safety, and just to make sure that the products are packaged properly. And then from there, they're able to distribute this product and gain customer feedback. So customer feedback is one of the driving factors of this industry, because without the customers, they're not able to make that profit and distribute that product. So for significance of these processes, so they allow for efficiency with regard to distribution, and they also take into consideration customer satisfaction. As I mentioned, it's a very big driving factor. And then as far as combating food insecurity, they're able to provide not only healthy and nutritional foods, but also encourage local farmers and businesses to integrate into the economy as well. So for value addition strategies, we touched on a number of different things that these food processes also are able to help in, and this also enables them to distribute their product a little bit more efficiently. So product diversification, medicinal repurposing, they are able to use these foods for medicinal purposes as well. And certifications and standards, this enhances the credibility, and the more credible that a product is, the more likely that a consumer will be able to buy this product. And then for profit maximization, a lot of these companies also do in-house maintenance, which allows them to cut back on costs, which in all maximizes profit.
So let's talk about some key collaborations or partnerships that have been put in place between the food processing companies and the various governmental organizations. So let's talk about the Green to Complete Hub, which is responsible for identifying gaps in efficiency and also helping to recommend measures to help improve them. The Green to Complete Hub is also responsible for identifying relevant standards that are required by international buyers. So to help products that are produced to meet these international standards. And there's also this key collaboration between the Casa Preco Company Limited and the Coca-Cola franchise in Ghana. So the Casa Preco Company Limited is responsible for providing the carbon dioxide that the Coca-Cola company uses in bottling their drinks. And the Casa Preco Company Limited is also responsible for bottling the drinks of Coca-Cola when there's too much demand for Coca-Cola products in the market.
Now we'll move on to another company that we had the opportunity to visit, the Ghana Standards Authority. So the Ghana Standards Authority focuses on certifying food products, cosmetic products, and any other products that different manufacturers would like to go to try to get approved. So their main goal is to become a consumer-focused, world-class standardization organization. So they adopt standards from the International Standardization Organization, and make sure that different products that they are certifying is also able to be used in different countries for safe consumption. So the significance of Ghana Standards Authority is to ensure product quality and safety, and by ensuring the shelf life, product quality, and consumer safety is protected. GSA helps build the trust of the producers' products and their services, such as the water that's being used in Ghana or any makeup products that is being used. They just want to make sure that the standards that they are adopting for the products is correct. So they assemble a technical committee to also test the product and make sure that the chemicals that the producers are saying is being used is actually being used. And they also offer manufacturing courses for different manufacturers that would like to create their own product but don't know where to start.
And one key institution I visited in Ghana was the Ghana Export Promotion Authority, which is mandated with developing and marketing Ghanaian products. Ghanaian products are mainly categorized into two sections, which is traditional and non-traditional exports. So traditional exports include cocoa, gold, timber, and oil, while non-traditional exports include 685 products, including pineapple and some other fruits and vegetable products and other handicrafts. And the Ghana Export Promotion Authority is also mandated with the assistance to exporters to help their products meet international standards. It also organizes trade missions, fairs, and buyer-seller meetings to help enhance market access.